Your new Robinair AC 1234-9YF HPP connected AC machine is designed and certified to SAE J2843 recovery, recycling, and recharging equipment standards for mobile air conditioning systems. Ensure you read the owner's manual included with the machine before starting setup. The automatic function allows a user to perform a recovery, vacuum, leak test if selected, and charge sequentially. Start the process by connecting the machine's service hoses to the vehicle's service ports and opening the coupler valves. Connect the high side red and the low side blue service hoses to the AC system. Open the service hose coupler valves by turning the collars clockwise. Select Automatic from the main menu and enter the vehicle service information. Enter the desired length of vacuum. Choose whether to perform a vacuum leak test. On is the default setting. Enter the desired charge amount and select the charge path. High side is default. The user may choose to record diagnostic pressures and cabin vent temperatures as well if the Bluetooth temp probes have been purchased. The unit will now automatically proceed through all applicable functions. Recover, vacuum, and charge. When the process is complete, a summary of results is displayed. The user may again choose to record diagnostic pressures and cabin vent temperatures as well if the optional Bluetooth temp probes have been purchased for an after-service summary. Once complete, the user may print the summary. The user will be prompted to close the coupler valves and disconnect the hoses from the vehicle. Follow the prompts to recover any remaining refrigerant from the hoses. Once the clear is complete, the machine will return to the main menu. The vehicle AC system is now ready to use.